Hi, welcome along, and in today's video I'm going to do something a little bit different. I want to show you what I believe to be the most popular chord progression in the whole of popular music history from the past at least 70 years. I've noticed this chord progression popping up time and time again, and I want to take you through it. Hopefully it'll unlock some of your most favourite songs. You'll go, oh, it's that chord progression again. I know what to do. You know, I identify it, go straight to it. So go and grab your guitar and I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Right, so let's get stuck into the chord progressions that I believe is in so many pop songs over the past 70 odd years. So a good place to start would be G, E minor, C major to D. So let's show you up to the camera. G, E minor, C to D. Right, so to E minor, then C, then to D. Now, once we get the capo, don't need a capo, but Ed Sheeran does his song with those chords in a song he wrote called Perfect. So he's going, then E minor, then down to D. Okay, so we got that. Then we can get rid of the capo. We can pick another song. We can go, we can do Wonderful World by Sam Cooke. Now he had C to A minor, F to G, C, A minor, F to G. Let me show you that up to the camera for those who are not familiar with those chords. So C, A minor, F to G. Okay, so that's another variation of this. There was a song called Oh Carol or Diana. Oh Carol by Neil Sedaka, Diana by Paul Anka, way back in the late 50s. Again, that was... we could also move up to a different key. We could go D, B minor, G, to A, D, B minor, G, to A. I remember hearing this chord progression in Brown Eyed Girl by, what's his name? Van Morrison. There we are. Brown Eyed G, A minor, C, right back to G, C and to D, back to G. So there it is, it's there for that song. Then if we can use Benny King's Stand By Me, there's a biggie, million seller. C, and then A minor, and then to F, up to G, and back to C, C, C. Other variations, like in other keys, we could do E minor. That is a C sharp minor. There we are, C sharp minor, or you can bar chord it. I've got a whole video on bar chords, so if you want to learn how to do bar chords, have a little look at that. Someone beeping out the window there, thank you for that. Right, so we've got E, C sharp minor, A, up to B, E, C sharp minor, A, up to B. Another one. We could also go, final one, let's have a little look at this. This is F to D minor, B flat to C. D minor, B flat to C. So there we go, the most popular chord progression in popular music, say, of the past 70 years. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below, whether or not this video has helped you or not, and also whether or not you've found, more like you've identified where this chord progression is cropping up in some of your favourite songs. Go through your Spotify playlist, your CD collection, your LP collection. Where is this chord progression popping up for you in your favourite songs? If you've liked today's video, please can you click like and subscribe as always. I am ever so grateful to all of those that have done that already, and hopefully I'll see you in another video. Take great care of yourself, guys. See you again soon. Thank you. Bye bye.